Oh yeah, today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind, you lose control.
Our group is doing a caldera volcano. The volcano we are researching is called Mount Akuku. Caldera volcano is when the top portion of a volcano explodes, leaving a crater for another volcano to form. This is the highest caldera volcano. It is located in Alaska. It first became a caldera volcano when it erupted 1,600 years ago during a major eruption. Mount Akuku has remained dormant until 1992.
In 1992, Mount Akuku, Central America,
Nothing has happened since then. Bad problem.
Oh yeah, today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind.
January 3rd, 2014 marks the 31st anniversary of Ku'u'u's eruption on the root zone of Caldera volcano. Ku'u'u is a hot spot. A hot spot is magma under Earth's surface that leads up whenever the plates move. It has been active for over 70 million years and has created a volcanic around it.
In 1983 marked the most extensive outpouring of lava as the ongoing eruptions occurred. By the end of 2012, the end result was the ending elevation was 2,200 feet. The lava flows added 500 acres of new land, and this volcano still shows signs of activity as magma continues to build up to the clouds.
Oh yeah, today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind.
Our volcano is parachuting. It is a cinder-cone volcano that is relatively one of the tallest cinder-cone volcanoes in existence. Its height is approximately 2,800 kilometers high, and when it erupts, it spews a layer of lava and magma ash throughout the air. Parachuting is a cinder-cone volcano. It's round at the top. It's made of igneous rock, and it's the only volcano that scientists have witnessed from birth to extinction.
In the first years of the volcano's existence was the most reactive, with 90% of lava and sulfur and other gases being released from underground.
Our volcano is slightly different from others. It explodes different. It explodes such as fire when it's going on, and when it starts to erupt, it starts off with a small fog and then gets thicker over the time.
Oh yeah, today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind, you lose control.
Volcano Project, Augustine Volcano. This volcano is located in the southwestern Cook Inlet near Anchorage City. Our volcano was discovered by Captain James Cook, and it formed in between 25,000 and 40,000 years ago. Our scale is 126 meters, which gives our volcano 42 centimeters.
The Augustine volcano makes up a tiny island in Alaska called Augustine Island. Due to the weather conditions, the outside of the volcano is very snowy and cold, and the inside is very hot. And the volcano has not been active since the year 2006.
When it did erupt, the lava would burst out and melt the snow, and it causes natural disasters such as tsunamis and mudflows. And mudflows are when rock fragments and hot or cold water mix together.
All eruptions from this volcano come from the central dome. The island is made up from volcanic deposits, and the Augustine volcano is the youngest volcano in the southwestern Cook Inlet.
I'm scared.
Hurry.
my group is doing a project over shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are volcanic cones that are broad at the base. They also have gently sloping sides.
Kilauea is a type of shield volcano. It is located in one of the 8 islands in Hawaii.
Kilauea is on the southernmost point of Hawaii. It is also the most active hotspot on Earth, and it also stands 4,200 feet at its highest point.
So for every 30 meters we use for a centimeter, this is made out of paper mache, and this is on volcano Kilauea. It's not gonna get on us. I didn't bring paint.
Oh yeah. Today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind. You lose control.
This is our part of volcano, the Mauna Loa. The Mauna Loa is located on the Big Islands of Hawaii and is the largest volcano mountain in the world.
Mauna Loa is a shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are broad with sloping sides. They are the tallest in the world and are the most active among all types of volcanoes.
The Mauna Loa is estimated to be 600,000 to 1 million years old. It is half the size of Hawaii and it is 4,170 meters high.
It has erupted 33 times